Hey guys, welcome back. It is Advocacy Week. Don't really know what kind of craft goes with Advocacy Week. So for Disability Pride Month, our crafts won't necessarily go with what's going on for the week. So I'm just picking random crafts that look fun to me. So this time we've got this paper elephant. So you can start off. I didn't have any gray paper, so I just colored my elephant and cut it out. And I'm going to show you how to assemble it. So we're going to start off, I'm going to have a background. So I've got this for my sky and some brown for the ground. So I'm just going to cut this out. And we're going to go ahead and glue this onto the blue paper. All right. Okay. And all right. Push it down real good. And so there is our ground. I'm going to start to lay it out. Now, you've got your elephant's main body here. We do have some legs that are going to go behind the body. So you'll want to get those glued down. So you kind of want to figure out where you want things. All right. So if I have this here, I'm going to glue that right about there. Okay, so I'm going to put that down. Now I'm going to glue the body. We do have one more. My glue is running out. This is horrible. Oh, drop it on my leg. All right. So lining that up where I want it. I've got one more leg that's gonna, and this one's gonna, show you just a second. All right, so I'm putting the glue here, and this is gonna come out and sticking out from his body a little bit, but that's okay because the head will cover the base of that. So that's what I've got so far. So I've got one of the legs back here, the other one right here, and there's the body. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my head on, figure out which way I want it to go. Okay. And I actually like it better this way. Okay. So then we got my elephant's head glued on. So next, they call it hooves. I don't know if they're hooves or toenails or, but they go on the bottom of his feet. So you just kind of line them up with the feet, and you know, they may overlap a little bit, and that's okay because his legs overlap some. All right. And then his front legs. So I'm putting the one in the back down first so that the one that's closer to us is on top. So at this point, it doesn't really look like an elephant, just some kind of gray animal. So now we're going to start making it look like an elephant. We've got his inside of his ears. Okay, put that right there. So I put the bigger one here because it's closer to us, so it would look bigger. Okay, so then got that like that. Now the thing that'll really make it look like an elephant is when we add the trunk. Okay, like that. See, now it's starting to look like an elephant. Get his eyes on there. Like that. And then we got 2 little cheeks left. All right. Just like that. Okay, I got a marker in my pocket that I can, yeah, there it is. Add some little things to it, so put a few eyelashes on there. Little lines on his trunk. And there you go. There's my little elephant. I hope you guys have a good time making this too, and have a great day. See you later, guys.